Welcome back everyone to our educational vlog on Earth and Life Science. Don't forget to like, write a comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am Edukado. Here's the link below.
Welcome learners to our educational videos in Earth and Life Science. Hopefully you will learn a lot, think a lot, and explore a lot.
Let's talk about rocks. Again, this is Sir Arnold from SDO Antipolo City. Rocks and the rock cycle. So let's have a simple definition first. What is rocks and minerals? Rocks are solid mixtures of minerals. Kapag ang mga minerals ay nag-harden na, they are called as rocks. They can be organic, while minerals are naturally formed or elements or compounds. Again, these are inorganic solid. They have crystals, not made of rocks. It has a definite chemical makeup. Okay? So, now we know the difference between rocks and minerals. Rocks are classified by how they are formed, or kung naka-classify sila kung paano sila nabuo bilang isang bato. And each type of rock are identified by composition, or what the minerals of the rock is made up of. Then also the texture. It refers to the sizes, yung kanyang shape, at yung position ng grains niya. When you say grains, yung parang batik-batik niya doon sa bato. On the pictures, we have the following. So, those are only example ng rocks na nagpapakita ng iba't ibang composition nila, ng kanilang shapes, positions, ng grains nila, sizes, and textures. Minerals are classified by chemical composition. So, ang mga minerals ay naka-classify naman ng chemical composition nila, or kung saan sila made up of. In terms of rocks, we have the different kinds nito, or types. First is the composition of rocks is determined by the kind of minerals and the amount of minerals that make it up. We have the three types of rocks: the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Now let's talk about the igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when magma cools and hardens and solidifies, or nagkakaroon ng solidification process. Ang mga yung mga magma, kapag nag-cool down na yan, tapos naglava at nag-harden sila, at nagkaroon ng solidification, na-form ang igneous rocks natin. There are two types. We have the intrusive and, when we say intrusive, these are igneous rocks when magma cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface. Dito sila na-form sa tinuturo ng araw natin. Ayan. Ito po ang area where intrusive igneous rocks are formed. Diyan sila na-i-stuck. They have large crystals. It has a coarse grain or texture. While extrusive naman, sa labas naman sila na nagkakaroon ng formation. It quickly form on the surface or sa labas naman mismo. Sumasabay sila sa pagputok ng bulkan. They have smaller crystals naman. And they have fine grain texture. Mas makinis kumpara sa coarse grain. Then, sa igneous rocks, all types of rocks can be changed into igneous rocks by melting and cooling of any rock. Kapag ang mga bato ay niluto natin sa apoy, it will melt and cool down. And magiging form siya ng lava or magma. In terms of sedimentary rocks, so, ito po, the sediments and sedimentary rocks, napoform siya by means of weathering and erosion. And minsan by compacting and cementing. In terms of sedimentary rocks pa rin, napoform sila pag weathered or eroded. Usually, ito yung mga pagbaha, pagbagsak ng puno. Then, sediments, compact, and cement solid rocks. There are three types ng sedimentary rocks. We have organic. Ito yung napofossilized remains of plants or animals. Ito yung mga buto ng hayop, yung kanilang mga remains. Nagsusolidify yan. And sa pagdaan ng panahon, nagiging bato ito. Kaya naging organic sedimentary rocks yan. We also have the clastic. Ito naman yung fragments of other rocks are compacted together. Ito yung mga tira-tira ng bawat bato. Then, when they are formed together, they form the clastic sedimentary rocks. Then, we also have the chemical sedimentary rocks naman. These are glued together by dissolved minerals. So, tao na ang gumagawa ng paraan para mag-form yung kanyang sedimentary or sedimentation niya by means of glued material na ina-apply. Textures is determined by the size of particles of sediment. So ito po are all types of rocks can be changed into sedimentary rock by weathering, erosion, sedimentation, compacting, and cementing together. Lahat yan ay paraan para magkaroon tayo ng sedimentary rocks. Let's talk about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks form when existing rock is changed into new rock by the heating of the rock and pressure from other rocks around it. There are two types of metamorphic rocks. We have the foliated, na kung saan ang crystals niya are aligned in stripes. Ito pong nasa unang picture natin. Yan ay isang example ng foliated. Then we also have the non-foliated naman, crystals arranged in random manner. Itong nasa pangalawang picture natin. Yan ang example ng non-foliated. These metamorphic rocks, ulitin ko lang po, na napoform sila because of too much heat na ina-apply natin and nape-pressurize sila. All types of rocks can be changed into metamorphic rocks by too much heat and pressure. So, ang igneous rock, sir, pwede po ba maging metamorphic? That's correct. Then, ang sedimentary rock po ba ay pwede maging metamorphic rock? Yes. So, lahat po yan ay bahagi ng metamorphic process. The color of rocks may be different because of the minerals or other substances that make it up. So, ito po mga sample natin yung breccia sedimentary. Lahat yan ay breccia sedimentary. Pero nagkakaiba-iba lang sila sa kanilang colors. Then, we also have yung quartzite metamorphic. Tingnan nyo po, no? Lahat yan ay quartzite. Pero nagkakaiba lang din sa colors. Yung gneiss metamorphic, merong gray, merong brownish, at yung granite igneous din, ay meron ding iba't ibang uri ng color. Pero they have the same kind of mineral na meron sila. The rock cycle, which is really important, ito yung cycle ng mga bato na kung saan it occurs naturally and continually recycles rocks and materials that make up the Earth's crust. Possible po kasi ang isang igneous rock ay pwedeng maging in the form of sedimentary rock, then applied by too much heat and pressure, then pwede po siya maging metamorphic rock. And pwede rin bumalik ang metamorphic rock sa pagiging igneous rock niyan. Isang example natin ay ang siltstone. Pwede siya maging shale, slate, gneiss, then pwede rin po ang limestone ay maging marble. Lalagyan lang natin sila ng too much heat and pressure. In rock cycle pa rin, there are many different paths a rock may follow to go through the process of changing from one type of rock to another. So, iba't ibang paraan po yan. Pwede pong, sabi ko nga po, by melting, pwede rin pong by mining, pwede rin po tayong iba't ibang forces na nilalagay, and pwede rin by pressure and heat. So let's talk about the rocks forming and the rock cycle diagram. So ito yung mga rock ski, no? Ulitin ko lang na ang ilan sa mga to ay ang igneous rocks, yung basalt, yung granite, obsidian, rhyolite, and pumice, lahat yan example ng igneous rock. Yung sedimentary rocks naman natin yung breccia, conglomerate, limestone, sandstone, siltstone, and shale. In terms of metamorphic rocks, we have the gneiss, marble, quartzite, schist, slate, and pyrite. Yan ay ilan lamang sa mga examples natin ng rocks. But again, there are many types of rocks pa rin. Ayan po. So, these are all example ng rock cycle natin. Ayan. So, sandstone can be transformed into quartzite, then to granite. So, yung sandstone, sedimentary yan. Yung quartzite naman ay metamorphic, then yung granite naman ay igneous. Akala kasi ng karamihan sa atin, igneous to sedimentary to metamorphic. Hindi po. Pwede pong mag-random ang cycle. Pwede pong sedimentary to igneous, then to metamorphic. Marami pong paraan yan.
That's it mga ka-learners. Hopefully you've learned a lot from these educational videos that we have presented. Always remember, share your knowledge and apply your knowledge. You click the link below for the simple assessment that we have. Again, thank you so much mga ka-learners.
Don't forget to like, mag-comment tayo, and share our channel and subscribe. I am Edukado. Ulitin ko lang na don't forget to take the assessments na meron tayo dito sa link natin meron dito sa ating video. Thank you so much. Again, this is Sir Arnold. Bye everyone.